Okay, Mr. Sarthak. So how do I do A part? Okay, what is the area of a triangle?
So area is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height.
Base into height. Okay.
So the answer of the 1A is area is equal to 1 upon 2 into 4 into 3. So I cancelled 2 and 4. So it became 1 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 centimeter square.
Okay. Shabash. Very nice. Mr. Sarthak, B part. What is the answer?
So it will become 1 upon 2 into 13 into 5. So 13 into 5 is 65. So it will become 65 upon 2 centimeters square.
Mr. Sarthak, C part. How do I do C part?
So 1 upon 2 into 8 into 5. So I cut 2 and 8, so it becomes 4. Then the answer will be 20 centimeters square.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, D part.
So it will become 1 upon 2 into 10 into 12. So I can cut 2 and 12. So it will become 6. So its answer will be 60 centimeters square.
Mr. Satya, E part.
So E part is equal to area is equal to 1 upon 2 into 24 into 9. So 24 and 9, 24 and 2 will get cut. And then the answer would be 12 into 9, which is 108 centimeters square.
Okay. F part. How to do it?
Area is equal to 1 upon 2 into 11 into 10, which is equal to 55 centimeters square.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we have a bit interesting questions. Okay. Sarthak, have you done A part?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
What
sir,
is-
first I gave all the side triangles a letter. So I gave A, B, C, D and the E part in the middle. So area A is equal to 1 upon 2 into 8 into 4, which would be equal to 16 centimeters square. And then we have to add all 4 of them. So we have to multiply 16 centimeter square into 16 centimeter square. So we will get the area of the triangles, and to find the area of the square, we have to do 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter and then add both of them.
Sarthak, have you understood?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
So the first thing would be, so see, one thing which is not clear in A part is that does he want the shaded part? So for example, if I want to calculate the area of the shaded part would be this part, this, this, this. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So for example, if I have to only find the area of the shaded part. So Sarthak, can you find the area of the shaded part?
So that's what I can't understand.
That is the sum of area of 4 triangles. Which triangle? This triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle. Have you understood?
Yes, I understood.
So each triangle, as Mr. Satya is saying, each triangle, so for example, triangle BEF, this triangle, this would be equal to half base into altitude 4. 16 centimeters square. We have 4 triangles like these, so it will be 4 into 16 is equal to 64 centimeters square. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So if I have to find only the shaded part, this is the shaded part, then the area of the shaded part is 64 centimeters square. Yeah. And let us say that I want to find the area of this figure, area of the figure BEDC. Say I want to find area of whole of this. Then how can I find area of whole of this, Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak?
So we can first find the shaded part and then the square. So then we can add both of them so we can get the area of the whole shape.
Yes. So what I can do is I can find the area of this small square. This will be 8 into 8 would be equal to 64 centimeters square. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So area of EFGH, because this is a square, this will be 64 centimeters square. Okay. Now I have two areas. This and this one I have already found. So 64 plus 64. If I add the two, it will be 128 centimeters square. Mr. Sarthik, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, this is a good question. You should try to revise this again. It's a pretty good question. Okay, Sarthak, were you able to do B part?
Yes, sir.
Did you do it?
Yes, sir, I did the B.
Yeah. How did you do it?
So I divided both the shapes. So the bigger square is the A part and the smaller one is the B part.
Okay.
So for area of the A part will be 32 centimeters into 32 centimeters.
Okay.
Become 1024 centimeters squared.
Okay.
Area B will be 12 into 12. So it will become 144 millimeters squared.
Okay.
Then we can add both the areas.
What will be the final answer?
1168 millimeters squared.
I'm sorry. 1
68 millimeters squared.
Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need. So this is a simpler question where you have to find the area by adding the area of the two figures which are given to you. Okay. C part. Sarthak, did you do this? C part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you do
So we can divide the shape into two.
it? Okay.
So the height will become 10 centimeters instead of 20 centimeters.
Okay. Nice.
So we can only find the top part and then we'll multiply it by 2.
Okay.
So
How
it
do
will
I?
become
Yeah.
30 into 10 into half. So So I cut 2 and 10. And then 150 centimeters squared. So I'll multiply it by 2, then 300 centimeters squared.
Satya, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, nice, very nice. Shabash. Starting D part.
So this also I divided into half.
Shabash.
So this became 75 millimeters into 1/2 into 12.5
Okay. Okay.
millimeters.
Okay.
So I did. The answer is 937.5 937.5 millimeters squared.
Okay. Sardak, is it correct? Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And you can multiply and then you will have the final answer. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Great.